southeastern Florida, southwestern Clay County, and northeastern Florida until 4 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Alachua to 15 miles west of Rainbow Lakes Estates, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Ocala, Rainbow Lakes Estates, Interlaken, Melrose, Fort McCoy, Citra, Lynn, Alachua, and Hawthorne. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for northern and northeastern Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Marion, Florida. Wind advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Watch, southwest 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour expected. Where? Portions of southwest and west central Florida. When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects.
There we go.
That's how it's getting tragic.
What happened?
You didn't hear it?
What did it say?
I still have a day one in hand.
It was an SVR.
Wait, we
Oh,
still...
really?
Yup, we still have it enhanced.
Really? Wow.
Just the new outlook.
Wow.
Wait, but it might have been more.
Why would it move north? It would move south.
Yeah, the storms are still hitting central and southern Florida.
Fast, okay.
Hey, hold on, hey.